Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, doing well and enjoying the best condition of health. Dear friends, I will show you beautiful leather high heels, leather boots, leather long boots, pump shoes, very beautiful shoes. Friends, leather fashion is all about incorporating leather materials into clothing and accessories to create stylish and edgy look. Leather jackets, pants, skirts, and boots, high heel shoes are popular choices for a cool and rebellious vibe. You can also find leather handbags, belt, high heel shoes, leather long boots, even jewelry to add a touch of. Friends, sophistication to any outfits. Leather fashion can be dressed up and down depending on the occasion. It's a timeless trend that adds a touch of attitude to your wardrobe. Friends, very beautiful shoes, stunning shoes. All designs are very beautiful, very awesome. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. Friend, it's a new channel. Please request you subscribe my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, very beautiful shoes, casual outfits, leather shoes are very beautiful. Friends, trending new style fashion outfits, leather shoes, long boots are very awesome. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, please watching my video till the end. Friends, very beautiful, gorgeous and most demanding new shoes, new designs, comfortable shoes, long boots are very awesome. Dressed latest dresses for women outfits, leather woman dresses, leather woman outfits are very awesome. Friends, I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Friends, different type of leather, overall ideas, latest and very stylish, stunning. I hope you like my video. Friends, thanks watch my video. Thank you so much watching my video. Friends, please share my video all family members, relatives. Friends, very beautiful long boots, high heel shoes, different color designs. Friends, it's a new channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. Friends, thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.